Hey, good morning class. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine in your home and doing your job in proper manner. So dear student, myself Anil Adhikari, PGT Mathematics from DPS Lamachor. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some questions from exercise 7.4. In my last video, I have discussed about what is combinations, what is the basic difference between permutation and combination, and also solve some questions related to combinations. So in my last video, I have solved question number first till question number 4th. Okay, so today I am going to proceed from question number 4th of exercise 7.4. So let's start beta. Question number 4 is, in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected? I think it was done in my last video. Okay, so I will discuss from question number 5th. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. Okay, so dear student, in this question we have to select 9 balls from given 6 red ball. Let me make a box. Okay, and we have 6 red ball and 5 white ball, 5 white ball and 5 blue ball. Okay, 5 blue ball, and we have to select 9 balls from these combinations such that each selection consists of 3 ball of each color. Means we have to select either you can say choose 9 balls. Okay, we have to choose 9 balls in such a manner each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. Okay, what is the demand of question? From these choices we have to choose 9 balls, but the 9 balls will be chosen such a manner that each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. Means हर प्रकार के जो balls हैं उनके 3 selection होने चाहिए. Means we have to select at least 3 red ball, at least 3 white ball and at least 3 blue ball. Okay, so the number of ways of selecting 9 balls क्या हो जाएंगे बेटा? नंबर ऑफ वेज, वी हैव 6 रेड बॉल. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम 6 वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट 3. तो 3 ways are selecting of 3 red balls out of given 6 red ball, and multiply we have 5 white ball and we have to select 3 white ball. So number of ways out of which given 5 we have to select 3 white ball. So there are 5C3 combination. Okay, in similar manner we have 5 blue ball and we have to select only 3 blue ball. So the number of combinations out of given 5 blue ball we have to select 3. So possible number of combination will be 5C3. Okay, now calculate it beta. 6C3 means 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 6 minus 3 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 2 factorial. Again 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 2 factorial. So reduce it beta. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial, expand it 3 into 2 into 1. This is the first bracket. Similarly 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial will be expanded as 2 into 1. Here 5 factorial is expanded as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial is 2. Now 3 factorial get cancel out, here also cancel out and here also cancel out. Okay, and 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, this amount will cancel 6. So 5 4 ja 20, multiply here 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 4, 5 2 10, and here 2 2 4 and 5 2 what 10. So 20 into 10 into 10 will 100 and 2000. Okay, total number of phase, total number of selection will be 2000. Okay, 20 into 100, that is 2000. Pause the video and take the screenshot. Now proceeding to next question. Okay, next question is question number 6. Determine the numbers of 5 card combination out a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. Okay, let us do it. So dear student, here we have 52 deck of 52 cards. We have a deck of 52 cards. Question number 6. 52 cards, but 52 cards are divided into two types. Okay, here 48 card or here 4 card. These 4 card are ace and these 48 card are without ace. Okay, this is the combination we have to make us. So determine the number of 5 card combination. What we have to make? 5 card combination. Okay, beta, we have to make 5 card combination out a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. Now listen. Listen very carefully, beta. We have to select 5 cards out of 52 cards. Okay, but the selection should be in such a manner that the combination of 5 cards must contain one ace. Okay, each combination of 5 cards must contain one ace. It is compulsory, it is mandatory, you know. So the 5 card combination will be, we have to choose 4 cards from 48 card. Okay, we are only 4 options. We have to choose 4 cards from the 48 card combination which are without ace, and what card we have to choose from these given 4 ace, because we have to make the 5 card combination in such a manner that one ace should be कंपल्सरी. एक एस उसमें होना ही होना चाहिए उस कॉम्बिनेशन में. तो वन एस विल बी सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम 4 एस. ठीक है, क्योंकि टोटल कितने होते हैं? 4 इक्के होते हैं ना. एस का मतलब होता है इक्के. तो देयर आर 4 एस in 52 card combination. So out of 4 ace we have to select one, and out of given 48 without ace card we have to select 4. So the selection will be, out of 48 card we have to select 4, multiply out of 4 ace we have to select 1 ace. So these are the number of combination. Now solve it. 48 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 48 minus 4, that is 44 factorial, and here 4 factorial upon 1 factorial. 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. Now break the 48 factorial, expand it till 44. So 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 into 44 factorial. Okay, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44 divided by 4 factorial, expand it 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and multiply with 44 factorial, and here 4 into 3 factorial, 1 factorial value 1, so 3 factorial. This got cancel out, this got also cancel out. Now 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24. Okay, so 24 2 are 48. Okay, 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 24 2 are 48. Now this 4 and this 2, 4 2 are 8 into 47 into 46 into 45. Okay, now multiply it and the resulting will be its answer. Okay, you can also leave it like that, 48C4 into 4C1. This could be also an answer. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot, beta. Now next question. Next question is question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in such a in which only 5 players can bowl? If one cricket team of 11 must include exact 4 bowlers. Okay student, we have total 17 players. Question number 7. We have a total of 17 players. Okay, we have a total of 17 players, and these 17 players are divided into two parts. One is batsman, another is bowler. Okay, one is batsman and another is bowler. So how many batsmen are there? 70 out of 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl. 5 players can bowl, means we have 5 bowler. Okay, we have 5 bowler out of 17 players, so rest will be batsmen. So 17 minus 5, that is there are 12 batsmen. Okay, there are 12 batsmen and 5 bowler. Okay, it is clear to all of you. Now we have to select a team of 11 cricket players, but cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowler. But the condition is, whatever the team you will be chosen, there should be at least the exact 1 bowlers. जो भी आप टीम सेलेक्ट करेंगे, it is mandatory that you have to have 4 bowlers within the team. So if you are taking 4 bowlers, then a team of 11 you have to choose. Okay, then from 12 we have to choose. Out of 11 4 is bowler. चार तो बॉलर हो गए ना, तो 4 जब बॉलर हो गए तो 11 में से बाकी बचे हुए बैट्समैन कितने होंगे? 7 विल बी बैट्समैन, because a cricket team contain only 11 players na. If you are choosing 4 bowlers, exactly 4 bowlers, then you have to select 7 batsmen from given 12 batsmen. So what are the number of combinations? We have to select 7 batsmen out of given 12. So these are 12 C 7 selection. Okay, multiply, we have to select 4 bowlers out of given 5 bowlers. So what will be the selection? 5C 4. Hence the total number of combinations will be 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial, 12 minus 7 5 factorial. ठीक है, multiply with 5 factorial upon 4 factorial, 5 minus 4 1 factorial. Now solve it. This will be expanded as till 7 factorial. So 12 into 1 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divide by 7 factorial and 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, within second bracket 5 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial means 1. So 4 and 4 factorial get cancel out. Here 7 factorial cancel out. Okay, and 5 and 2, 5 2 ja 10, 10 cancel out. Okay, 4 3 ja 12 cancel out. So what we get? 11 multiply 9 multiply 8 here. Okay, 11 into 9 into 8 here, and from the next bracket we have only 5. So what is the answer? 11 9 is 99 and 8 5 is 30. No, sorry, 40. 99 into 40, that is 0. 3960. Okay, the total number of ways of selecting a cricket team will be 3960. Pause the video and take the screenshot. Now next question number 8. A bag contain 5 black and 6 red ball. Okay, A bag contains 5 black and 6 red ball. So let me make first a bag. Question number 8. Let us suppose this is a bag. Okay, this is a bag. Now it contains 5 black and 6 red. 5 black and 6 red ball. Okay, ठीक है. 6 red ball and 5 black balls. ठीक है ना. So determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. We have to select 2 black and 3 red. We have to select 2 red and 3 black balls. है ना. We have to select 2 black and 2 black. Okay, black 2 है. Okay, 2 black and 3 red. Okay, 2 black and 3 red balls. So what are the possible numbers of selection? Beta, you have given 5 black. Okay, out of 5 black you have to select 2 black balls. So what are the possibilities of selection of these 2 balls out of given 5 black balls? That is 5C2. Selecting 2 black ball. Number of ways of selecting 2 black balls कितना हो जाएंगे? 5C2. And similarly number of ways of selecting 3 red balls out of given 6 red balls equal to कितना हो जाएगा? 6C3. Out of 6 we have to choose, either you can say we have to select 3. So total number of combinations are 5C2 multiply 6C3. Now beta, calculate it. 5C2 5 factorial upon 2 factorial, 5 minus 2 3 factorial, and 6C3 6 factorial upon 3 factorial, 6 minus 3 3 factorial. Now break it. 5 factorial till 3 factorial, so 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1, and 3 factorial. Here break the 6 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Stop at 3 because there are 2 3 factorial in the denominator. So 1 will be expanded, 3 into 2 into 1, and 1 remains the same. So 3 factorial got cancel out. 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. So this amount cancel out 6. Here 3 factorial got cancel out. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So 5 2 ja 10 multiply here 5 4 ja 20. So total number of ways are 200. Total number of ways of selecting 2 black and 3 red balls out of given 5 black 6 red balls are 200 selections. Pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, now next question number 9. But question number 9 is, in how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 cores if 9 cores are available and 2 specific cores are compulsory for everyone? Okay, so first we will describe it. We have total 9 courses available. 9 courses are available. Out of 9 courses there are 2 conditions. Okay, 2 courses are compulsory. Two courses are compulsory. So non compulsory कितने हो जाएंगे? 7 are optional. है ना. If 2 are compulsory then 7 are optional. Okay, total 7 plus 2, 9 courses available and 2 courses are compulsory, so 7 are optional. Okay, now in how many ways can a student select a program of 5 courses? A student have to select a program of 5 courses, है ना. A student have to select a program of 5 courses, but 2 courses are compulsory. It is mandatory to opt these 2 courses. Sorry, it is mandatory to take these 2 courses. Okay, इनको आपने लेना ही लेना है because these 2 courses are compulsory. So the remaining are, out of 5 you have to take these 2. It is mandatory. So only 3 will be optional. ठीक है. So from 7 we have to choose 3 optional. From 7 we have to choose 3 optional, and from these 2 we have to choose select 2 compulsory. Select 2 compulsory courses, है ना. Because these 2 courses are compulsory, so we have to choose a program of 5 courses. So out of 5 courses we must have to choose these 2, because these 2 courses are mandatory, and the option left will be 3. So 3 optional courses we will choose out of given 7 optional courses. Okay, so what are the possible combinations? Possible selections will be, what, out of these given 2 we have to select 2, because these 2 courses are compulsory. So out of 2 compulsory subject we have to select 2. So how many methods will be there? 2C2. Out of given 2 we have to select 2. So these are the selections of compulsory subject. Now out of given 7 optional we have to select only 3 optional. So possible numbers are 7C3. So now solve it. 2C2 means 2 factorial upon 2 factorial within bracket 2 minus 2 factorial. Multiply 7C3 means 7 factorial upon 3 factorial, 7 minus 3, 4 factorial. Now 2 factorial cancel out, 1 upon 2 minus 2, that is 0 factorial, and here 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, divide by 3 into 2 into 1 and 4 factorial. 4 and 4 got cancel out. Here 0 factorial. What is the value of 0 factorial? The value of 0 factorial is 1. So in the first bracket we got 1, and in second 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 and 6 got cancel out, 7 5 ja 35, that is 1 into 35, 35. So total number of possibilities, you can say total number of combinations or selections are 35. A student can select 3 optional and 2 compulsory courses out of given 9 courses in 35 ways. Okay, so pause the video and take the screenshot. Now exercise 7.4 is completed. Now I am going to solve some examples which are very very important from exam point of view. So I am starting from example number 20. Okay, miscellaneous example. Okay, so example number 20 beta. Okay, example number 20 is how many words with or without meaning, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word involute. Okay, letter of the word involute. We have this word given. Okay, and we have to make out how many words with or without meaning, each of 3 vowel and 2 consonant. Out of these letters of these words we have to make words with and without meaning, with and without meaning, words with or without meaning containing containing 3 vowels and 2 consonant. 3 vowels and 2 consonant. ओके, 3 vowels and 2 consonant. ठीक है ना, कुछ ऐसा हमें बनाना है. Listen बेटा, first we will see how many vowels and how many consonant are there in the word involute. Okay, so see, this is vowel, this is vowel, this is vowel, and this is vowel. So 1 2 3 4, there are 4 vowels. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 letters word is involute. So 4 are vowels, then 4 must will be consonant. Okay, again check it. I, A, E, I, O, U होता है ना, E, I, O, U, E. 1 2 3 4, there are 4 vowels and remaining 1 2 3 and 4 are consonant. Now we have to make 4 plus 4, 8 letters, and we have to choose only 3 vowels and 2 consonant, है ना. The question demand is that out of this word we have to make words with or without meaning. It doesn't matter either words is meaningful or meaningless, but the condition is that the word should contain 3 vowel and 2 consonant. So out of 4 vowel we have to select 3 vowels, and out of 4 consonant we have to select only 2 consonant. Okay, so how many methods are there? Out of 4 vowels we have to select 3 vowels, so there are 3 method. Out of 4 consonant we have to choose, either you can say you have to select 2 consonant. So there are 4C2 method of doing this. Now multiply. Beta, you have to choose, you have chosen 3 vowels and 2 consonant. Okay, 3 vowels and 2 consonant, so the word will be having 5 letters. So 5 letters are also, this is selection beta, this is only selection. Now these 5 letters will arrange each other. Okay, how many ways? In 5 factorial ways. So multiply by 5 factorial. Are you getting my point? We are selecting 3 vowels out of given 4 vowels and 2 consonant out of given 4 consonant. So the word which will build will be having 3 plus 2 5 letter. 5 letter का word बनेगा. But these are only better selections, not arrangement. But these 5 letters will arrange in 5 factorial manners. Okay, so multiply with 5 factorial. Now the final answer is solve it. 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 4 minus 3, that is 1 factorial. And here 4C2 is 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. 4 minus 2, 2 factorial, and multiply with 5 factorial. Okay, now 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. The value of 1 factorial is 1. Here 4 factorial will be expanded as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into the value of 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2. Multiply with 5 factorial. Now this got cancel out and this got cancel out, and 2 2 ja 4. So 4 into 2 into 3, the value of 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60, 62 ja 120, 121 ja 120. So here put the value of 5 factorial 120. So 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 into 120. Okay, so 0 2880 words. Now there are 2880 words will made. Okay. So this is the answer. Pause the video and take the screenshot. So dear student, from today's video lecture class, that's it. Okay, now in my next Google Meet doubt class, I will clear all the doubts regarding permutation and combination. That is from example number 21, 22, 23 and 24, and some questions from miscellaneous of exercise 7. I will take all questions, and the homework for you is solve some questions which are left and do more and more exercise, so that your preparation will be well for the upcoming half yearly exam. And be safe beta. Thank you for watching the video.